Are you curious about things to know about Palm Desert in 2025 and feeling a little overwhelmed by headlines about Canadians selling off their homes? Today we're going deep into Palm Desert real estate for 2025, unpacking why so many Canadians are selling and how these shifts might open up some real opportunities. Hi, I'm Dafna Shalev, your local real estate broker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My mission is to keep you fully informed so your next Palm Desert real estate move, whether buying your dream home or cashing in on your investment, is as smooth as the desert sunsets. Let's start with what everyone is buzzing about. Why Canadians are selling homes in Palm Desert at the rate that we haven't seen before. Canadians have been part of the heart and soul of our seasonal scene for decades, making up more than 11% of all international buyers in the Palm Springs area in recent years. But 2024 and 2025 has brought a major change. As of June 2025, Palm Desert had about 695 active listings, up a whopping 43% from a year ago. And the local data estimates that about a fifth of these new listings are Canadian sellers. This isn't just about numbers. Canadians, traditionally snowbirds, invested not just money but their heart in desert living. When they sell, it has ripple effects, increasing local inventory, especially among condos, golf homes, and mid-upper range properties that Canadians love. At number 2, why are Canadians leaving? The reasons why Canadians are selling homes in Palm Desert are complex but clear when you dig in. Currency crunch. As of June 2025, the Canadian dollar is hovering at $1.37 to $1 US, meaning every US expense from utility bills to HOA dues is 35% more expensive for Canadians. That's a $1,000 monthly HOA payment now costs them $1,370 even before higher US inflation. Insurance premiums have shot up across the Coachella Valley. Many Palm Desert communities saw home insurance rates double since 2022 due to wildfire risk and the cost of rebuilding. HOA fees are rising for similar reasons. Water, landscaping, insurance, and maintenance all up 10 to 15% in most communities. At number 3 on our list, the political and social climate. It isn't all numbers. There's a growing sense among my Canadian clients that living in Palm Desert, California experience has changed. Many cite increased political polarization, rising living costs, and a notable shift in the social climate. They say they just don't feel as relaxed as they used to. Some longtime Canadian snowbirds find their social circle has shrunk as more of their friends sell and stay north. 4. Visa, tax, and estate pressure. As of spring 2025, Canadians staying in the US for more than 30 days are asked to register their trip, which may raise concerns for retirees used to an easy crossing. There's also 15% FERPTA withholding tax for foreign sellers. Some are also worried about US estate taxes and increased IRS scrutiny on foreign owners. It's not just the added expense, it's that peace of mind and the sense of home away from home are harder to maintain. At number 5, how the Canadians sell-off impact inventory. As of June 2025, we have nearly 695 homes on the market versus just 485 a year ago, pushing inventory from 3 months to around 6 months at current sales rate. Most of the new inventory is in that sweet spot for vacation and second home buyers, condos between $450,000 to $750,000, single-family homes in gated communities, and golf club homes. These were hard to come by at the pandemic peak. Is now a good time to buy in Palm Desert? For the first time in 4 years, buyer can actually take a breath. As of June 2025, the median Palm Desert home price is $785,000, about flat from last year, but up 17% from pre-pandemic. However, a whopping 72% of homes are selling below list price. Yes, below. And the median sales to list ratio has dropped to 96%, down from 101% during the 2021 bidding wars. If you want the classic Palm Desert lifestyle, a pool, a beautiful outlook, resort access, or a modern lock and live home, inventory is finally available. Be prepared to see motivated sellers and less competition from frenzied cash-rich buyers from LA or the Bay Area. Number 7, a shift in buyer demographics. As Canadians leave, desert buyers are changing. The average Palm Desert buyer in 2025 is younger, more likely to work remotely, and moving from a major metro area. LA, Orange County, San Diego, even as far as Seattle or Dallas. They're looking for walkable neighborhoods, flexible floor plan, and homes with home office space. We're also seeing a rise in full-time relocators families and professionals willing to embrace the living in Palm Desert, California dream for both lifestyle and affordability. Investment perspective and short-term rentals. For investors, the current environment is frankly one of the best since 2015. Not only there is more inventory, but well-maintained seasonal homes often owned by Canadians are ideal for vacation rentals or long-term leases. The median long-term rental in Palm Desert is around $3,500 a month, but check the HOA rules. Some neighborhoods have very strict short-term rental limits. If you're looking to maximize Airbnb or seasonal cash flow, partner with an agent who track which communities allow rentals and help you project realistic numbers. Will the trend continue? That's a big question. Most signs point to a trend lasting into 2026. Currency forecasts don't predict a big Canadian dollar recovery. US costs are unlikely to shrink, and as more snowbirds friends sell, the social ties that held others here will weaken further. If you want to lock in a long-term value, it's a unique window to buy, especially if you're patient and focus on homes with standout floor plans or features. Sellers are motivated, but the best deals get snapped up by those who do their research and act with confidence. So if you're not sure where to begin, I'd love to help. Send me your questions and let's find the right fit for your needs. Palm Desert has always been about sunshine, relaxation, and quality of life. In 2025, with so many Canadians selling, it could be your turn to make the move you're always dreamed of. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can check out more of my videos by clicking on the boxes on your screen or in the description below. And if you want to connect with me directly, my information is also in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with new videos. This is Dafna Shalev, and I'll see you in the next one.